So ma'am, thank you sa tanan nimo nga pagtudo sa mga sa sarili dili ko. No, Wes, it just without she's na ma'am. Grabe kay ka. Ma'am, gwapa bitaw ka ma'am. Just, sige, go na lang, pareha ta gwapa. Pero ma'am, thank you jud kayo. Sige, so na bitaw na siya. Ma'am, thank you kayo sa imo nga pagtudo sa mga. Then, I love you. Bye-bye. Check out the doggy.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you so much sa tanan. Kasama nila. I love you, Daddy.
Thank you, Mom, for being second parents for us. Love you, Mom.
Thank you so much for being such a good, alive teacher for us. Even though not all of us will participate the oral participation, we are blessed because you are the teacher of our psychology subject, and thank you so much. Wow.
Mom, thank you for everything, Mom. You were a good teacher to us all year long, all semester long actually. It was short but fun.
Hi, Mom. Good day and good health. Just wanna say thank you for everything. And gusto ko lang sanang malaman mo na you're one of my favorite teacher. And I really like your teaching strategies. Naintindihan talaga namin po yung pagtuturo mo. And hopefully, good day. Ma'am, thank you. I love you.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you for everything. Thank you for teaching us. Wala ka nang ibitar sa imong kasal.
Kasal na yun, stay with me.
Love you.
Hi ma'am, thank you for teaching us everything. Thank you so much.
Salamat di sa iyong pagtudlo pa. Nakahatag din ako ang pagtuon.
Hi ma'am. Hi ma'am. Thank you for all the teachings and God bless.
Wala.
Thank you. I love you. Two thumbs up. Yeah.
Hi, Mom. Thank you, Mom.
Hey ma'am. Thank you so much for everything. You've been a good teacher to us. God bless everyone.
Hello, ma'am. Thank you sa tanan, Bob.
Ulit.
Maraming salamat. Sana, di mo kayo makalimutan. Sana, tuloy-tuloy pa nila. Kami na ng pagtuturo ko sa school na to. Sana sa susunod na pasukan. Ganun lang pa rin sa amin. Salamat, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Thank you for everything. Even though we're just under you for one semester, and I appreciate your effort in teaching. God bless and take care. I love you.
Hi ma'am. Thanks for being a good teacher and I love you, mom.
Actually, naliban yung kayo ni nga, ikaw ang mag-sign na teacher. Kaya, good kayo ka, and actually, getting emotional. Butan kayo kasama mo, and thank you. Memorable jud kayo ka para sa mga sa lesson naman. I love you.
Ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, Lisa. Nakapagod sa po. Lagi, karoon ma'am. Feelings ka kami sa sa iyo, ma'am. Pero, mag-cancel naman din, ma'am.